Hey viewers, you're watching The Savera and I'm Vidhi Joshi. The Supreme Court of India today delivered a landmark ruling in a case concerning the increasing menace of stray dogs and animals across the country. The apex court declared that the decision of the Rajasthan High Court on the issue would now apply nationwide, directing all the states and union territories to take immediate measures to remove stray animals from state and national highways, as well as from sensitive public spaces such as schools, colleges, hospitals, bus depots, railway stations, and sports complexes. The court emphasized the public that safety cannot be compromised while ensuring humane treatment of animals. The case was heard by a bench comprising Justices Vikram Nath, Sandeep Mehta, and N.V. Anjaria, who are monitoring the growing number of stray dog bite incidents through a suo motu case initiated on July 28, following reports of fatal dog bites and rabies infections, particularly among children in the national capital. The bench observed that the alarming rise in such cases warranted immediate nationwide action. During the hearing, the court noted that stray dogs have become a grave menace in institutional and public areas and ordered that they must be moved to shelter homes and not released back into the same locations from which they were picked up. The bench stated that allowing the return of stray dogs to the same places would frustrate the very purpose of ensuring safety in these areas. It directed all the state governments and union territories to identify within 2 weeks all the government and private schools, colleges, hospitals, public transport hubs and sports facilities where stray animals are commonly found. These institutions must be secured, preferably with boundary walls or fencing, within 8 weeks to prevent the entry of stray dogs and cattle. Each institution is also required to appoint a nodal officer responsible for maintenance and monitoring, while municipal corporations, municipalities and panchayats must conduct inspections at least once every 3 months. Compliance reports are to be submitted to the Supreme Court. The court further instructed the National Highways Authority of India, NHAI and other road owning agencies to ensure the removal of stray animals, including cattle, from all the national highways and expressways and to relocate them to designated shelters. It also ordered that helpline numbers be displayed along highways in order to enable the public to report the presence of stray animals, ensuring faster response and prevention of accidents. The bench expressed strong disapproval of the failure of most state governments to submit compliance affidavits, despite earlier directions issued on August 22, 2024. Only West Bengal, Telangana and the Municipal Corporation of Delhi had filed their reports. On October 31, the Supreme Court also rejected Solicitor General Tushar Mehta's request to allow Chief Secretaries to appear virtually, insisting that they must be present physically before the court. The bench reaffirmed its earlier order requiring all the states and union territories to detail the steps taken to enforce the Animal Birth Control Rules 2023, including sterilization and vaccination drives, establishment of shelters, and creation of animal pounds. 3 months earlier, the Rajasthan High Court had directed state authorities to remove stray animals from public streets and warned that FIRs would be filed against anyone obstructing the action. That order came in the wake of a sharp rise in dog bite incidents, over 300,000 reported cases in Rajasthan in 2024 alone. The Supreme Court has now extended the scope of that directive nationwide, making it mandatory for all the states to follow suit. During previous hearings, the court had also expressed concern over reports of government employees feeding stray dogs within office premises, contrary to existing orders requiring designated feeding zones away from public areas. The bench reiterated that while the human treatment of animals must continue under the ABC rules, public safety and health remain the paramount concerns. The Supreme Court's latest direction marks one of the strongest interventions yet on the issue of stray animals in India. The court has asked the chief secretaries of all the states and union territories to ensure strict compliance and to file affidavits along with status reports within 3 weeks. The next hearing in the matter is scheduled for January 13. That's all for now. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Do like, comment and subscribe to the channel.